Are your kids already begging to get on electronics and you're already losing your mind? I got you. I've worked with Funsels before and they were so nice to send me another little kit. Let me show you what's in here. This is going to be perfect this summer when the kids are bored, they're begging you for electronics time and you don't want to give them electronics time. You want them to do something, at the very least, earn some electronics time. So having something like this to go, hey, just go do this for a little while. Let's not worry about electronics for right now is very helpful. My kids, when they're little, every single one of them have loved scissor skills. My kids are older than the recommended age group, but it's recommended that way because it's about a cutting skill. But many kids still have fun cutting well after 7. This is maybe a kindergartner skill, but it can still be fun. And we do have other cutting books that they sometimes get out. I love the packaging on this. It is a nice little kit, and that is something I've noticed about this company, is they put a little bit of extra effort into making the actual container, the package it comes in, sturdy, beautiful, and easy to carry around. It makes the kids want to get it. On the back here, it says, if you want to gift it, you could put their name on it, or if they just want to write their name on it so they know it's theirs. Look at how nice it's packaged. Down here we've got, and everything has the little cutout shape so it's easy to get out. This is glue tape. It's actually pretty hard for younger kids to use glue tape. I have yet to have younger kids be able to figure out how to use these. It'll take a little bit of instructions, and they're probably going to use this whole, if they do figure it out, they'll use this whole thing up right then. Boom, the whole thing. Don't ask me how I know. And then we've got 2 pairs of scissors. These are non-sharp scissors, plastic, no blades. It will remain to be seen if it's going to be easy to cut things with these plastic scissors. I haven't always loved these whenever I bought them, but I will link for you below our favorite pair of beginning cutter scissors. These have this little bit right there to help them bounce it. That's very handy. But like I said, the problem is usually that this is not sharp whatsoever on purpose, but it also means that cutting paper is super hard. The bounciness, stellar. I'm going to give it a 10 for that. My favorite scissors are sharp and bouncy. Well, they're not my favorite scissors. They're my kids. The best ones for kids is what I'm trying to say here. Here we've got chapstick. And look at how cute the packaging is with the little monsters. And even their glue has rainbow colors. Just super inviting. Let's get this book out and have a look. One thing I've noticed, and I noticed the last time I got something from Funsels, the books are hard to get out. That's the only thing. It is the only complaint I've had with their products. Little stickers, 2 books. This one says a book of games, and here we've got a book of crafts, and these are quality books. Let's have a look inside of there. This looks exactly like our favorite snippet books, which I'll also link for you. They're a little bit smaller, but the quality is exactly that, and I've gotten the snippet books for all my kids. This is every bit as good as quality. I'm going to tear one out, and let's have a closer look at it. The first page is a page of instructions, and here some of it's already perforated, so they can easily tear that off. And then they can take their scissors and cut through the crayons. I'm going to actually let my kids do this. And here across the top, it tells you what they're supposed to do, whether it's cut, fold, or paste. The instructions are both written and pictures so that the little kids, as they're doing them, can go, oh yeah, I'm supposed to cut this one. But let me tell you, they're going to do what they want to do. They ain't going to follow the instructions if they're anything like my kids. They're going to do what seems fun in the moment. But isn't this a darling little picture with the crayons in the box? The book, it can be folded back, but you can also tear these pages out super easily. The pages come right out. A kid can tear it out. Mom and dad can tear it out. Grandma. This one is paste. Can't see. This one is cut and paste. So here you'll tear off the perforation. You'll cut on the dashed lines here, and then you're going to glue it to the page. This one looks so fun. I'm about to do it myself. Here's a fold, cut, and paste one here. You're going to tear across the perforation. You're going to cut out the circle. This is getting a little bit harder. You'll fold on the dotted line, and it'll make happy, sad, or however you want to do it. And then we've got a whole book of crafts here. These are, again, super fun. This is both folding and cutting and pasting. We've got some cutting over to the spaceships there. Oh, that's so pretty and going to make a very cute lantern. I don't know why I'm extremely impressed, because Funsels has shown me that they are a quality company, but they've just shown it to me again. I love what they're doing. I love the stuff that they have in this book. This is going to be so fun. It's going to give your kids something to do this summer. Rush out and get this if you're looking for something the kids can do. I'll have this linked for you below. And hey, guess what? Chicken butt. So if you need more activities this summer so that you don't go crazy, subscribe and like and go get you some. I'll have to edit that.